Hello, you're watching Forex Trader Calendar on InstaForex TV channel with me, Kate Stichina. At the end of this week, traders will keep an eye on the following macroeconomic statistics. On Thursday, the European Central Bank will announce its interest rate decision for March. Markets expect the rate to be left unchanged at 0%. At the previous meeting, the benchmark interest rate was maintained at the same level of 0% in line with the market forecasts. ECB President Mario Draghi said the next stage in its quantitative easing program will be discussed in the autumn. He also noted that inflation pressure remains weak and premature tightening would threaten the whole Eurozone recovery. He explained that after a long time, finally robust recovery is here, and it's only needed to wait for wages and prices to follow the course to move toward the bank's objectives. On Friday, the Bank of Japan will announce its key interest rate decision for March. Experts do not predict any changes in the benchmark rate of -0.1%. At its latest meeting, Japan's central bank again decided to stand pat on the overnight call rate and capped it at the record low of -0.1%. The decision matched expectations. The bank reaffirmed its 80 trillion yen in annual asset purchases and its yield curve strategy. According to Governor Haruhiko Kuroda, in March, the central bank should start thinking about how to exit its stimulus program around the fiscal year beginning April 2019. On Friday, the United States will reveal its non-farm payrolls data for February. Analysts forecast a gain of 204,000 new jobs in the reporting period. At the same time, the unemployment rate is expected to decline to 4%. Let us remind that the January employment report surpassed market expectations with the creation of 200,000 non-farm payrolls, while the unemployment rate held steady at a 17-year low of 4.1%. More importantly for the Fed, average weekly wages rose by 0.3%, pushing the annualized increase to 2.9%, the highest mark since 2009. In addition to these events, trade balance data will be revealed in Australia and China on Thursday. On the same day, Bank of Canada Governor Stephen Poloz will deliver a speech. The United States will publish a weekly report on initial jobless claims. On Friday, China will release data on consumer and producer price inflation. The UK is to publish data on industrial production and trade balance. Canada is expected to print its latest employment report. The United States will round up the week with the data on average hourly earnings. You are watching Forex Trader Calendar on InstaForex TV channel with me, Kate Stichina. We wish you profitable deals with InstaForex.